In this video, we will see how to change the station range and elevation range of a profile view. So I have this profile view. It is starting from 0 and going all the way back to somewhere like 1230. Let's say I need to stop this at 1001 plus 1000 here. So to do that, I have to select the profile view. So once you select it, it will show here profile view, and you go to profile views properties from here, and you should go to stations tab and go to user specified range. You can customize whatever the change range you want here. If it is 0 to 1000, you can type 1000 here. If it is 100 to 1000, you can type 100 to 1000 here. Once you've done that, you can click OK. The profile view will shrink down to 1000 here. So in the same manner, if you want to change the vertical elevation or the elevation component, you can go to uh, profile view properties again, and this time you have to go to elevations tab and go to user defined specify user defined height, and you can set whatever the maximum and minimum. Let's say I am going to change my minimum value to 160. So once I do that, this part will come up. So when I click OK, you will see now my minimum value is 160 here. This is how you adjust stations and elevations on a profile view.